Equate all-natural saline packets sinus wash refills for allergies and congestion, 50 count. Product details. Get relief from nasal stuffiness with the Equate all-natural saline packet sinus wash refills. Sinus washing is an all-natural powder solution mix method that may help symptoms of nasal congestion caused by sinusitis, colds, or allergies. It cleanses inhaled irritants such as dust or pollen and helps moisten nasal passages. Simply mix 240 ml of purified water with 1 Equate saline packet. This produces an isotonic pH-neutral solution that is very close to that of normal body tissues, so there is no resultant burning or stinging. Get fast relief from nasal congestion with our Equate all-natural saline packet sinus wash refills. Making the right health decisions can be challenging. With a complete range of products and simple solutions, Equate allows you to take care of your family with confidence. Equate all-natural saline packet sinus wash refills, 50 count. All-natural saline packet sinus wash refills for the neti pot. Includes 50 pre-mixed, 0.08 ounce all-natural saline packets. Helps with symptoms of nasal congestion caused by sinusitis, cold, or allergies. Packets produce an isotonic solution that is very close to that of normal body tissues. Active ingredients: USP sodium bicarbonate 515 mg and USP sodium chloride 1685 mg. pH balanced. Look for the Equate sinus wash system that includes neti pot and comfort flow bottle. Suggested use for adults and children 12 and older, with supervision.